Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whichever location you're watching from. Welcome to the podcast Momentum, where we bring you candid conversation with thought leaders shaping technology life with purpose. So, welcome back again to Momentum, the podcast where we bring you the stories behind technology leaders who balance professional excellence with personal grit. As you all know, in each episode, we sit down with thought leaders to explore their grounded beginnings, extraordinary journeys, leadership philosophies, and the role of technology in shaping our world with purpose. Today, I'm thrilled to welcome a remarkable technology leader and enterprise architect. From humble beginnings in rural India to becoming a leader in AI, enterprise systems, and cloud architecture, their journey reflects resilience, adaptability, and vision. With over 18 years of expertise across AI, cloud, data, and enterprise architecture, he has designed cutting edge technologies, solutions, and led global teams to success. Beyond the technical depth, this is a story about great curiosity and continuous learning. Welcome, Satheesh. How are you doing?
Thank you. Good, good. Thank you so much. So it's a great introduction. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. It's my pleasure to host you today in Momentum. So, you have gone from studying in a rural school without basic facilities to architecting complex enterprise systems worldwide. When you look back at your journey, what's the first image that flashes and the moment that drives you every day?
Yeah. Sometimes I don't believe that one. It's happened to me. Okay. But sometimes I feel that one uh, I proud myself. Okay. But it is frankly speaking, it is a gratitude moment as well. So every day I need to think back. I need to look for actually so who guided or who has given me an opportunity from the parents, my parents who supported me, and the rural area where I lived, and it's very hardships there, a lot of hardships and all. So I have been through the a lot of things because it's not having the basic facilities. Like I usually go by walk and sitting on the floor to study. So to went to a government school, then government school don't even have a benches to sit on. So but as I have an interest, a passion towards that one, and if any teacher who is telling, then actively listening that one, learning that. So somehow I felt very enjoyed. So that learning and everything. But as soon as I saw something which is a tech side of it, and I want to do that one. So that is one of the thing it came into my mind. So, but even though if I'm working in my career, right, so I always look back to my roots and look back saying that one, so how do we help or how technology need to support and help the public, right? So if the technology goes to that public or people hands, so and if their life can be better than what they are doing today. So that is my motto and that is my inspiration thing. So I just want to pass on providing the solutions, enterprise solutions. So so that whoever is using that applications or whoever is using that technology, so they want to make their life better. So that is how I'm deeply connected with my roots and as well as whatever I'm doing today.
Very, very profound way of looking at things. If you're now right now looking from 25,000, still you haven't forgot about the zeroth feet where you have started with your started in your journey. And I think the leadership is not something that you want to put in place right now. It is there from the very childhood where this makes me curious to ask you one more question on you said that even the basic facilities were not there when you were going to school. So that is something very, very common across India in the rural, in the villages especially. So what was your feeling when you first saw a computer? When did that moment happen?
So that moment happened. I never saw a computer till my 11th grade. So after my 10th grade is completed, I joined a college, junior college. In the junior college, one of the office room, I saw that one computer because it is a junior college plus degree college. Like it's a both plus two and degree, 3 years degree college. So they have a computer course, and I saw the computer in the lab. Then I saw that one first time when I saw that one, oh wow. Okay, and I felt like it's kind of a if you see a new thing, a new technology evolution, which is coming up those days actually. Then when I saw that one, the big computer and all, and as okay, I want to see that one. I would like to open it, right? I would like to do something else actually. That is the one which created a kind of a passion or interest. And then if I spent a few questions to that, the people who is taking that course and all, then they showed me something on the computer with Word and PowerPoint those days actually. So some of the things which is coming up, then okay, I want to do it actually. I want to learn it. I want to explore it more. So it's really, it's kind of a strong feeling that, wow, I would like to take it up. So yeah, so it's
That
11th grade.
reminds
Yeah,
Absolutely. I think that reminds me about my school days where, for the very first time when I saw the computer, it is just a box. So it is three boxes: a
yeah,
monitor, keyboard, and a CPU processor.
CPU processor.
And
Yeah,
I was so precise and cautious about touching, and I always used to wait for my turn to touch it as if it's a
yeah,
precious thing to hold, do something. And we started with a logo, basics. I don't know if you ever heard of it, a
yeah,
small,
I heard.
tiny triangle, which is a
Yeah,
cursor, and then it designs everything the way you write a program. And that's such a memorable moment. I think we all have gone through that phase. And how did that
yeah,
transform you into becoming a solution provider? You saw the technology, you got fascinated looking through that.
yeah.
Where that passion of, solution providing triggered.
Yeah, I think providing the solutions is part of day-to-day life, right? So not only if I see something in the regular household things, or if I want to do something in the village, right? So if I are conducting a small gathering, or if I are conducting actually some of the event, so there are a lot of challenges comes into the picture. Even some marriages which is happening at the village, so we need to host something and we need to do a lot of things. So you need to do different kind of an approaches or the solutions, so that one if the people are okay, this is oh, they did it well, they did good and all actually. So from there to comes to that to the computer science engineering. So because of that passion, which I studied in even in the 11th grade, I saw it. They are not allowed me to touch it as well. So frankly speaking, so and some kind of a curiosity is still building in me myself. So I joined as a computer science and information technology branch in the engineering and all. So because of that passion and everything, and I'm one of the, though I came from the completely rural area, and it's a normal government schools and colleges I came, but I went to the engineering college. So people are there from the across the different cities and all. Um, and first time my education is shifted to English medium. So till my 12th grade, I'm a Telugu medium guy. So even I didn't have an opportunity to study in English medium even though if I want to study it. So till 12th grade is that one, and we don't have the engineering college nearby. So I went to a different city for my engineering, but I'm very scared about that to change. And people are talking. I went to a city, and people are on come from different schools and speaking on that one, but I put my efforts on there. And people thought that when I came from a different background and all. So because that I'm part of that, always I'm topping the in the class on that the every time in my college. So yeah, so It's a providing the solutions even the because I need to live outside, right? Away from the parents. So and that time actually there is not large number of technology, right? So internet is available, but internet is available in the internet centers only. So there is no phones, nothing is there. So I have to live there, and but doing that different things and organizing and providing the solutions, making the life easier. And it is feeling me internally. Maybe that time I never thought that way, but now I'm think if I'm relating to that one, okay, it is came by nature. It seems so that's what I'm thinking. So from village, college, and now I'm doing the same thing here.
Yeah, I think you're so curious, and I would say tech savvy because you're savvy with anything that you have in around you. Try to always provide a solution, and no wonder you turned out to be such a powerful leader right now, providing solutions to such complex problems. And recently, I even have heard about you dealing with many AI projects. So walk us through your journey of AI and where did you start it? And probably I'm asking too many questions in one. Let me pause for a second and let me take or digest about your journey, and then I'll be back with the other question.
Yeah, sure. So um, yeah, as I mentioned it, right? So I would like to give you the little bit back stage of the story. So in my engineering, after that one, I started my career, and I am a developer, just writing that programs and doing the same thing, 3, 4 years. But some reason, one of my head of the organization, he told me that one because it's a kind of I'm a .NET developer that time, so C Sharp and .NET developer, but they were building a product in Java. Okay. And I'm the only person who is supporting the Microsoft projects. So a couple of other people are there, but they are also shifted to Java, but I'm the only one person who is supporting the Microsoft projects. I thought I don't have much career there. So I got another job and I want to move. So I have submitted my resignation as well. But the news went to my head of the organization. That time he was in United States, but they put me on the phone saying that one, wait for me to come. That's what he told me that one. So he came back and it's okay if you want to move, okay. But the thing is, development is not the only thing. I know your skill, and from today onwards, you are the um, architect. Okay. Systems analyst. He put it as not architect. Actually, he put me as a systems analyst. Okay. I think he observed me from the few years and he changed my title to the systems analyst. And he himself take me to a client or a customer actually is to work on a particular product as a systems analyst. It is a change. So from that day onwards, so the learning the new things, right? Wherever you go to the client place, you have the lot of new tools, technologies. Even though if you are working on building or implementing a solutions, you are seeing a lot of new products, and it is increased my curiosity. So I want to be there always to learn new things. Going one customer implementation completed, going to another one and looking into that one new ways, new tools, new technologies, new combination of things. But my solution I need to put in place and connect it together. And then the architecture and everything started growing in myself. Actually, I'm learning a lot in that one. So I converted myself as a uh, to an architect. So to become an enterprise architect. So the learning, going to a different place or different customer or a client and understanding their landscape and providing the solutions as an architect and giving me immense pleasure and happiness. And that is the thing I want to do. That is where that the AI comes into the picture and immediately I want to do it. Okay. So I would like to take that one, even though not in this company, my previous company also itself, I started my AI journey. So they want to touch AI. AI can help anything in this one because it is early stages of AI, which is touched that the ground, which is implementing that in the organizations. So it is a landscaping company. It's a different um, um, kind of a whether AI can be possible or not. But there also we made it AI possible. Okay. So if a landscaper comes to your house, if you come to your backyard, so and you say that one actually my lawn is not good, or I want to turn my lawn to be green or more healthy, then what landscaper will do? Okay, because he's expert knowledge, so he may think that one actually which are the best one, right? So its landscapers are mostly they may not have that well educated on the agro industry, agro business, but they need a guidance there. They need an assistant there. So that's where I build an assistant so that it will read grass type, it will read that climate conditions. Means it will go to that internet, get that current temperatures, current climate conditions, and all, and it will understand the grass type, and then based on the current situations current then it will recommend which seed you need to put on actually. So are based on the conditions, so some grasses have different conditions are there, so some may be burn out, right? Some may need more nitrogen might be required, right? So there is NPK formula around that. So it will recommend, it will, because if you buy any chemical product, or if any weed and feed, if you buy it, if you see this one in the book, if they give that one, it's a 200 pages. A document will be there. How to use it, when to use it, how much to use it, what is the good conditions, whether it is kid safe or not. So a lot of things will be there. But is anybody is reading that one? No one is reading that one. So that kind of a complete thing will be fed to the AI, and AI will give that, understand the current situations, current conditions, and reading this document, product, and blend with that, and give that detailed guidance saying that on what to do when. So that is my that is where I see when I told you, right? So I would like to give the solution to the people, which comes to that, to the people who are using that technology, which gives that life better, right? So they are making now decisions. So now the landscapers are having that knowledge assistant, so that one they are maybe entry level landscaper, but they are become a more professional grade landscaper. It's a big landscaping company, professional grade one, right? So, bringing up him into the next level, bringing that landscaping, small landscaping company into a larger professional landscaping company is the transformation. So, it is giving that it is helping, right, him. At the same time, it is helping his customers as well, so that the customer is also will happy. He is getting the good results and good environment as well. So, using the a lot number of means more product means it's not good for environment and good for lawn as well. So it is a nature, and it is a learning, and it is giving an power to that the end user, so that technology, we giving the technology power to the end user, so that he will benefit from his day-to-day job, day-to-day work.
Incredible way of explaining a real-time world example, turning that into such a productivity tool, combining that with the technology. I think that's where the power of AI relies in.
Yeah.
And I'm totally blown away with the way you have architected right now, because I felt like all your years of experience, you put it in 2 minutes, and it has totally blown me away, Satish. And it's no wonder that anyone who you're talking to, your leadership just reflects, and your clients are so happy working with you. And I'm so happy just talking and striking this conversation with you.
Yeah.
So I think you already read my mind about my question, and you answered that even before I asked you what is a real time example. I think you'll be a great add on to any team, and you'll be a great leader in shaping and helping. So that again reminds me about one more question. How do you inspire your team? Because you deal with a lot of being a leader. It is so
Yeah.
difficult because you are not just confined to a space of three people who are reporting to you. No, it's beyond that. You have to look after so many domains, collaboration, everything. So, how do you manage that stressful world, and how you make things simplify and get into a single puzzle that
Yeah.
looks super good?
Yeah. It's really good and fully loaded question.
Okay.
So the thing is, I have teams across the globe in different countries. So inspiring the team is the biggest thing we have to do, because if you inspire your team and if you are make them inspired all the time, then you will get that the better outcome, right? Better result, and you can deliver that your project on time and with quality and all. But what we need to do is actually at the same time we need to tell that one, what is this project about, or what is this product we are developing it, and what is the benefits about it. So what is the impact they are doing it by doing that one. So you need to keep educate them, and so that you need to teach the business. So technology, they can go and they can learn by themselves, and they have the lot of tools and all. But the thing is, if they don't know the business, or if they're not learning the business, and they whatever they build it into a some kind of a persona, or the some kind of a mindset, right? So giving that business context to the teams, business, the outcome of that one, giving that kind of insights to the team, then they really think that one actually, okay, whenever they're working on it, so they need to put in their mind into that kind of a persona, and then they will do the great results around that one. So that is one of my key metric or key success mantra from my side. Actually, I always teach my team, giving that one business knowledge. Okay, that no one will transfer that knowledge to the team, but I always empower the team to make sure that one learn the business, so that whatever the solution they are developing, whatever that they're putting on to that their design and everything, which will satisfy that the business case, business needs. And at the same time, in the opposite side, I need to take that to that upper level, to the leadership, saying that one. So how do I put that, the amount of work they're putting it, then how do we put that in place, saying that one, what is the change or what is the impact we are making on to the community, with the business community or user community and everything. So which I need to put it back and need to provide that insights to the team, saying that one, keep them motivated, giving that more insights, then giving the opportunity to learn, giving the opportunity to grow, and talk to them and clearly, and then your expectations and all. So definitely it will change in the overall team health. Then people always means, especially in my teams, people always want to talk to me, because they thought actually I'm a positive generator. So if they are talking to me, they feel like energized. And that's what the feedback I usually get it. So they want, at least they want to talk 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour. So whenever they get the time, actually, they want to talk to me, so that I will provide much more valuable insights. So the team always energized.
I totally agree with what your team is saying because I'm already receiving the positive vibes of the conversation where curiosity kicks in. Teach your team with not to impact, rather what the business is, so they learn and take the accountability where their value add, they are doing that value add and they know why they are doing, right? I think the quality with
Yeah.
purpose leads the team and being a leader to the place where they would definitely be want to, and how many lives they are impacting is very important thought that is getting injected through your thought leadership of making them aware and bringing the awareness, right?
Yeah.
I can't agree with your team more. So, one last question. I know I have ton of questions, but considering the time, I would just like to keep it short. What is one advice that you can give to current generation where they are in the distracted world of the so-called screen, and what would be advice that you can give to younger Satish 10 years before?
Yeah. So k- follow your passion. Okay, in single word, actually, I will say that one, follow your passion. Uh, Keep learning. Okay, keep learning. Uh, every day you need to learn something. Okay, every area or every aspect you will get some insights. Okay, take that insights and move forward. Okay, so there is nothing right or wrong. Okay, so but the way people take look at it is the differentiation factor, but there is no specific right or wrong. Don't be judge on certain things like this is right, this is wrong. Don't go to that kind of a business. Okay, learn, keep doing the things, and the put your hard and smart work as well, then the results automatically come to you. Okay. So do your duty. Do your duty. That is that the thing which I'm going to talk to give that to younger generation so that uh, you will get out of it. Like you will get that benefit from it. Okay. So if you are spending some time on the screens, if you are spending some times on different areas, you can take definitely you have personal time and everything. But in the future, think about the future, think about that one, how the technology is changing, and care about others. Especially, you need to care about the others. And then you need to learn uh, um, and grow. So that is the only advice I can give at this time.
Absolutely. That's very inspirational, I would say. Quality can be derived only when you feel accountable and drive yourself or inspire yourself to make an impact or leave your legacy of what you are capable of.
Yeah.
So, with that, this has been a very inspiring conversation about the great technology and vision, Satish. Thank you for sharing your wonderful journey and insights. For our listeners, the story we have heard today is a reminder that no matter where we start, perseverance, curiosity, and purpose can take us to extraordinary places and heights. Stay tuned for more episodes on Momentum where we celebrate other leaders who are shaping technology with purpose. Until then, thank you. Thank you, Stitch.
Thank you.